Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafeez. So in this video we will learn what is HTTP client in Laravel. In the previous video we have learned what is model and how to create the model, and also we have learned how to use the model in Laravel controller. So in this video we will learn what is HTTP client and using of HTTP client, and also we will learn why we use the HTTP client in Laravel. And by using the HTTP client we will display the dummy API data in our Laravel view. For that we need to open the project which we have already created in the previous video. So let us start. So this is the Laravel project which we have already created in the previous video. If you are following my previous video in series, then you know this project we have already created in the previous video. So this is the dummy users API. We will use this API in our Laravel web application. So let us learn what is HTTP client. Actually we use the HTTP client if we want to communicate the external web API in our application, then we will use the Laravel HTTP client. This is the package of Laravel which provides the communication of third party API and other web applications API in our web application. So let us see how to use the HTTP client in our web application. For that we need to open the text editor. Now let us create the controller, HTTP controller. So user controller, we have already created the user controller in the previous video. We will use this controller for using the HTTP client. So let us create the route for this function, index function. Open the routes and web.php route get users we will use the user controller already imported in the web.php, and in the next parameter we will pass the name of function index. Save this file. So let us return something for testing purpose only. Return save this file. So let us test. Now you can see this is working. So let us see how to use the HTTP client in our controller. Users get, and we will pass the URL of API. So this is the dummy users API for developers for testing purpose. You can use this API for testing. I will provide this link in the description. You can find this link from the video description. Semicolon, save this file. So let us return users, save. So let us refresh this page. Now this will throw the error because it's don't know where is the HTTP class. So we will use the sort of HTTP. Let us import use illuminate support HTTP. Sorry. HTTP. Save this file. So let us refresh again. Now you can see we are getting all the user records in our web application. So let us see how to pass this user from controller to the view. First of all, we will create the view. Open the resource views. Now let's create a new file. Save as users.blade.php. H1 users table t-head t-body td. So let us duplicate id, name, email, profile, image. For each and for each, and we will return this user response to the view. Return view users and pass this user to the view. We will use compact function. Now you can see we have the user data in data variable. So let us see how to use this. Users data as user. User of id. So let us duplicate this. First name, email, first name, this first name, and for email we'll use this email key, and for the image we will use avatar. Save this file. So let us refresh this page. Is it working or not? Now you can see we are getting name, email, and profile image. So in this video we have learned how to use the HTTP client and get the response from the external web API in our web application. So in the upcoming video we will learn how to post the HTTP request using the HTTP client. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. and please share and like this video. Thank you.